Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Ramesh. This is my first YouTube video. In this channel, I will discuss about Flutter mobile application development. Let's see what Flutter is and how we can use in mobile application development. Okay, uh, Flutter is a framework for building cross-platform applications. Using this framework, one can able to create stunning and natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop using a single code base. Flutter offers a fantastic opportunity to build beautiful and responsive apps effectively. Okay, if you see, Flutter transforms the development process, build, test, and deploy the beautiful mobile, web, desktop, and embedded experiences from a single code base. Okay, uh, now let's talk about this channel. If you are a beginner and eager to learn about mobile application development, Flutter is one of the most popular frameworks among the available. There are many, a few available cross-platform features, cross-platform frameworks, say React Native, Xamarin, and Ionic. And Flutter is one of the most popular framework. Okay, now let's deep dive into Flutter. Okay, Flutter is Google's open source UI software development toolkit. It supports cross-platform. Let's understand what cross-platform means. Like cross-platform means if you want a separate application for Android and iOS, you need developers who know Kotlin programming language for Android and Swift programming language for iOS. Okay, uh, but when it comes to Flutter, uh, if you write code in Flutter, it automatically converts code to Android as well as iOS. Okay, it means write code once and deploy it on multiple platforms without any modifications. Okay, uh, see if you see here, Flutter is a open source framework for Google building beautiful and natively compiled, and it is multi-platform applications using a single code base. If you see here, these are the key three popular features of Flutter: fast, productive, and flexible. Fast means the development is very fast. If you do any changes in your code, if you do some changes in your code, that will reflect to the application fastly. If you do some any text changes or if you change any color, that will reflect in your mobile application within seconds. Okay, that is fast, and of course it is productive. We can came to know about all these features in uh, upcoming tutorials, and it is flexible. We can write every pixel of this screen. Pixel means like a smallest possible part of the screen. We can color it, or we can write use however we want. Okay, we can control the every pixel to create customized and adaptive designs that look and feel great on any screen. Okay. The advantage of cross-platform is uh, it is cost effectiveness, and as a developers can reach a broader audience with a single code base, and the reduce the it also reduces the development time, and the resources required is very less. Okay. Uh, and recently Flutter introduces toolkit for gaming too. This is the official documentation. We can see, we can go to this topic on later on. Okay. Okay, this wraps our introduction. Uh, if you are excited about mobile application development and Flutter, and if you are ready to learn, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. and share it with your friends. Okay. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you.